Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best vacuum for linoleum floors in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Eureka NEU182A PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. With the Eureka PowerSpeed, you get multiple tools for whole house cleaning, all stored on board. You also get extra cleaning power through its dynamic brush roll and motor. However, what ranks it among the best vacuum cleaners for linoleum floors is the powerful suction despite its compact, lightweight design. Also, if you have some carpeting or rugs in your home, a 5-level manual height adjustment guarantees you a smooth transition. Besides, above-floor vacuuming is made easy by the attachments available. These include a crevice tool, a dusting brush, and an upholstery tool. Despite the compact design, Eureka has managed to fit a large dirt cup that allows you to clean for a long time before emptying. However, if you start smelling funny odors, you can empty the vacuum even if it's not full. Pros: favorable extended reach, powerful suction, comes with several accessories, has a large dirt cup. It's suitable for cleaning multiple floors. Lightweight and easy to control. Cons: no LED headlights. The power cord could be longer. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dyson V11 Torque Drive Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Dyson ranks among the best brands for stick vacuums. It has unique technologies that make Dyson V11 Torque Drive the best stick vacuum cleaner for linoleum floors. Take for instance a high torque cleaning head. It does not need your intervention to transition between floors. As soon as the vacuum moves to a different surface, the suction automatically adjusts to match it. This does 2 things: it ensures your linoleum floor is not scathed while also ensuring that debris pickup is thorough. The Dyson V11 Torque Drive is a versatile and powerful stick vacuum designed for whole house cleaning. Besides, it has great suction and switches between stick and handheld modes at a snap. It also comes with 5 tools to help you with above-the-floor cleaning. These include a combination tool, a stubborn dirt brush, a crevice tool, a mini motorized tool, and a soft dusting brush. Being cordless, you enjoy the freedom and a commendable runtime of up to 60 minutes on linoleum floors. This is not easy to find in cordless stick vacuums. It's not surprising that it is, therefore, the best Dyson vacuum cleaner on the market this year. Apart from having an excellent filtration system, an LCD screen displays a wide range of things. You can know when there's a blockage at the brush roll, remaining battery life, and the current cleaning mode. Also, you can get maintenance reminders to ensure that your beloved vacuum lasts for ages. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Neato Robotics Connected Laser Guided Robot Vacuum. Smart cleaning keeps getting better. If you have minimal time to clean, let the best robot vacuum for linoleum flooring do it for you. Neato BotVac is Wi-Fi compatible and uses top-notch lasers to map your home, navigate, and vacuum smoothly. It will cover more room in lesser time compared to a hands-on vacuum. Also, Neato BotVac remembers the plan of your house and is a superb cleaner for large homes. Its spiral combo brush is sensitive on your linoleum floor but at the same time very effective at picking up dust, pet hair, large and small debris. It is also capable of cleaning corners as well as along the walls. The vacuum has a runtime of up to 120 minutes and requires at least an hour and a half to fully charge. If you are looking for a mid-range robot vacuum to get working on your linoleum flooring as you tend to other chores, look no further. Pros: hands-free cleaning freedom. Has side brushes for cleaning edges, corners. Excellent mapping capability. You can schedule cleaning as you please. Long runtime and is suitable for large houses. You get cleaning reports. Its low-profile design allows it to get under furniture. Convenient control using the app or your voice. The D-shaped design allows it to vacuum along walls effectively. Effectively picks pet hair and pet dander. Offers customized cleaning with multi-floor mapping, zone-specific cleaning, and no-go zones. Cons. A bit pricey. It may encounter difficulties vacuuming narrow spaces. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.